Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume on HONOR MagicBook. There are two ways of doing that. The first one is clicking on the speaker on the taskbar. Now you can adjust this speaker bar. It'll give you a preview of the loudness after adjusting it, but there's also another way. Let me show you the keyboard because we'll need a keyboard for it. And first make sure that the FN key, you can click on it to light it up or not. If it's not lighting, then you should be able to use these shortcuts, which are F5 and F6 keys to change the volume, like that. You can also click on F4 key to mute it. And that's how it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.